Morning, folks. It's holding up the letter. It's March 27th. Here I thought we were all done with winter, but apparently not. Mother Nature decided to throw a little snow at us, so I guess you could come plowing for the day. Wicked. Oh. As much as I love plowing snow, I definitely could have got away with not doing another snowstorm, but he said can't win them all, I guess, so. hoping this here is the last plow of the season. We shall see, but fingers crossed that this is it. But I think if we can get through, well, obviously we're through today, we barely got enough, and Sunday's going to be, I think, a pretty similar type storm, kind of warm the day before and after, plus rain and whatever else. So I think we should be in the clear, but we've definitely had storms later than this where we've been plowing 6-7 inches of snow, so definitely wouldn't call it a given by any means. Works out well. We do this shared driveway with our little doctor's office here, so with that, I think that's a wrap on our 2024-2025 season. So like I said, hopefully we'll start doing some content for summer. I'm going to try to do some stuff for our spraying side of the business, the landscaping. Might even try to get some of the crews involved and see if they'll take the GoPro or whatever for a day. But if there's anything you'd like to kind of see or watch or whatever, just reach out through comments or hit us up on Instagram or whatever, and happy to try to film that sort of stuff. But like I said, I appreciate all you guys tuning in, and hopefully by next winter we'll be a bit better organized and figured out for our YouTube content for next year. But until then, see you in the spring and have a good one.